Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kavya. I make pure vegetarian recipes in English and Telugu. You can please check out my Telugu channel too, and I'll link it in the description box below. It's winter and pretty cold outside. Our heart craves for something warm. So I brought you a nice, comforting winter soup that instantly warms your soul. Let's look at the ingredients now. And trust me, it's very yummy too. We need a cup of broccoli florets, 1 whole diced onion, 1 cup of spring onion greens, half a cup of diced carrot, 1 whole diced tomato, half a cup of cabbage, almonds and pistachios, just a few, some ginger and garlic, lemon, and a few blobs of butter to add an extra creaminess, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and some peppercorns. Firstly, in a pressure cooker, add some carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, onions, spring onion greens, ginger and garlic, broccoli, and half a cup of water to that. Now we want to boil all these vegetables nice and fine. On a high flame, let it cook for 6 whistles until it's completely cooked. Now add in the dry fruits, some peppercorns, and blend smooth and strain off. Now to our soup, add a little bit of salt and lemon juice. The lemon juice gives you a nice little tang to the soup. Now add in blobs of butter. It makes your soup very rich, creamy and tasty, and serve it hot. Looks very yummy, right? This soup is all your heart wants in this chilly weather. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.